A drone hovering over Mather was the target of an angry hawk. The Flight Club group is sharing this video with us tonight. You can see the hawk in the distance, then a little later, that hawk goes in for an attack, and yeah, the drone goes down. We'll show you again in slow motion. The drone operator thinks it may have been a mother protecting her nest, so he's not going to fly that drone in that area for a while.
Grab it like a little okay?
Concerned about a potential terror attack from the air by a drone armed with a deadly...
All right, give me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up? What do you mean?
Thumbs up for the camera.
Oh.
Yeah.
If you really think about what could have happened there, that drone hit its target right on the mark and could have took the chance.
I don't know. Come on.
His concern has only been heightened by a dramatic increase in the number of drone incidents in New York City, over 40 in the last year.
Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick. Give me some. Give me some, Nick. Give me some love, Nick.
Officer Daryl Maudsley and Sergeant Antonio Hernandez saw it coming right at them.
We're fine in the dark. We had night vision goggles on. We're trying to get a job done. And the next thing you know, we see this drone come up to our altitude.
Say hi or something.
Hi or something.
Drones are out there flying around. People think that they're a toy or a model. They're not. They're another aircraft flying in the national airspace system.